Hello, it's Marie Stick here, and here are Waggoner's fabulous sirens, the sentry and the modulator. I filmed these more than one time, but here they are once again for you siren fans. One either goes off for tornado or one goes off for fire, unless they just got one as a backup. I'm not 100% sure, but here they are. I'm kind of on the street, so I might have to kind of move over if there's cars coming. This is quite a small town for it to have like 2 sirens. Probably just one at the most. But yeah, here they both are. Quite impressive sirens. If you guys drive through Waggoner, come check this out. They got a sentry and a modulator. I showed you the control box in my previous one in November, but here it is again. They got a sentry in Harville too, but it's a different type of sentry. American Siren Productions filmed that one in Harville, but he never filmed this one in Waggoner. But yeah, quite impressive sirens. And then they got a modulator, 2008. But yeah, quite impressive. We're here at the Inman Museum. But yeah, quite impressive sirens, I have to say.